Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Happy summer vacations. As you all know, it's time for your summer break. So you all will play together and have fun together and will visit many places. But in this summer period, you also have to do your summer pack. So there are many interesting and different activities in your summer pack. You also have to complete them. So let's discuss and learn how to complete them. There are many interesting activities in your English summer pack. Let's learn how to write them. First activity is about comprehension. As you all know, in comprehension there is a passage. We all have to read the passage carefully and then answers the given question. Like I have done the first one. What is cleanliness? Cleanliness means that there is no dirt, no stains, and no bad smells. So, you all have to find the answers from the comprehension passage. And in the next part, question number 2, we have column A in which there are some words, and in column B, we will write the meanings of these words in English. Like enrich me का मतलब होता है भरा हुआ भरपूर होना, ठीक है, और इसका English meaning होगा enhance. And at the last part you have to make a sentence from the words given in column A, like I have made one. First word is enriched, so we will make a sentence fertilizers help to enrich the soil. You can also write the sentence from the passage. And the last part is write true or false on the given statements. Cleanliness means that there is dirt everywhere. False. Cleanliness does not mean that there is dirt everywhere. Your next activity is also a comprehension. So you all have to do the comprehension like we did the previous one. Read the passage carefully and then answer the questions and then write their meanings in English, and at the last make sentences from these words. The next one is also a comprehension which is about genie. So you have to read the passage carefully and then tick the right option and then write the complete answers for the questions which you find from the paragraph, and then write the meanings, and at the last same we will make sentences of the words given in column A. Your fourth activity is also a comprehension, so you have to do these activities carefully by reading the passage and then analyze the questions and write correct answers to the questions. Okay students, and at the last you will write sentences of the words given in column A. Your next activity is about converting present tense into past tense verb, irregular past tense verb. As we have learnt, there are two types of verb, regular verb and irregular verb. In regular verb, we follow the same pattern and simply the verb is formed by adding ed. But in irregular verbs, they do not follow the same pattern. They got changed, like the movie Begin, began, ring, rang, bring, brought. So write the second form of these irregular verbs. The next activity is about unjumble the words. These are the words, jumble words, यानी कि हम इनको सीधा करके लिखेंगे. And there are also hints given to us for our help. You can use these hints to unjumble these words, like I have done first two. First one is lightly and the next one is throw. The next activity, students, is about write correct form of verb. So whenever our subject is third person singular, we write as or yes with the form of verb. So Franco dash her dog every day to have fun and exercise a little. It means Franco is a singular noun, so walks. We will fill the blank with walks. The great students dash hard to get good grades in the class. The great students. Whenever our subject is plural noun, we do not write is or ies with the form of verb. So simply we will write try. The next one is the elephant dash a lot of water every day. The elephant is a singular noun, so we write as with the form of verb. The elephant drinks. Okay. So in this way you will do this activity. Your next activity is very creative and interesting. In this you will write about a paragraph on the box, like I was walking down the street when I saw a small wooden box by the road. Suddenly, I heard a voice say, "Help! Let me out of here." To my surprise, the voice was coming from the box. And you can create your own story by writing that I saw a tiny creature in the box. He was so small. And you can create your own story. So in this way you will do this activity. And the last activity, student, is also very creative. In this you will write a scary story with the help of these word banks given to you. You can write, last night we went to a horror house. Me and my friends saw a shadow there. It was complete silence there. So in this way you can create your own story. Okay, students, so a story is always written in past form, so be remember to use past form of verbs. It means second form of verb. So these are your activities. Do it in your summer pack. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.
हवा में उड़ना है, पानियों पे चलना है, अपनी दुनिया को रंगों से भरना है।